What's up, friend? Did you know a great sauce can turn any boring dish into something extraordinary? Today, we're going to create mushroom gravy from scratch. This is similar to our basic gravy recipe, but this time, the star of the recipe is mushroom. In this video, we're going to use canned button mushrooms. So, the first thing that we'll do is to separate the mushroom from the broth. Set it aside because we're going to use it later. Feel free to use a different kind of mushroom. This will add flavor to our sauce. Now we have about half cup of mushroom broth. Now pour half cup water into the pan. If you don't have mushroom broth, pour 1 cup water instead. This 1/3 cup cheese is optional. We had some leftover cheese from our mashed potato recipe from the last video, so we're using it today. Add 1/3 cup flour. This will thicken the gravy. Mix until the flour is dissolved. Add a pinch or 1/8 teaspoon salt, then add half teaspoon pepper. Add 1/4 teaspoon oyster sauce or Worcestershire sauce, whichever one you have. Then add 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. And lastly, 1 teaspoon butter. That's it! All you have to do now is to let it boil. But don't forget to stir frequently. Once done, set aside so we can start browning the mushrooms. Put 1 tablespoon butter into a shallow pan. Melt the butter over medium heat. You can add garlic if you like. Put 1 cup mushroom and stir frequently. It takes a while to brown the mushrooms, but it is quite entertaining to watch them shrink. Once the mushrooms turn golden brown, add the gravy to the pan and let it simmer for about a minute. This mushroom gravy is perfect for a lot of dishes, like steak, mashed potato, and more. Check out my mashed potato recipe in my last video. The link is in the description box below. And you're done! Easy, right? So, let me know in the comment section below. What ingredients would you add to this recipe to make it a special dish of your own? Don't forget to hit the like button if this video made you hungry. Thanks for watching! See you in the next video.